All right. What's happening, peeps? What's going on? This is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct. Put some lip balm on because my lips feel like two little pieces of sandpaper. Hey, this is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct from just outside of my home, Smyrna, Georgia. Big shout to ATL, Atlanta, Georgia. Hey, Netta, what's happening? How you doing? Just having a really good day. About, I don't know, maybe about an hour or so ago, I got off of a morning motivation wake-up call with my mentor, Diane Hockman. And even before that, I just really been thinking about some things that she said, that her mentor told her. And the thing is that you don't have to get it right. You just got to get it going. I'm going to say that again. You don't have to get it right. You just got to get it going. And yesterday, and actually like for the past couple of weeks, right, I've been having a challenge. And I hope you guys can relate to this in your own life, right? I've been having a challenge as far as something I know how to do. And this is marketing. We have it in marketing speak. All right. Something I know how to do in marketing is SEO, right? So I know how to do SEO blog posts, and I know how to SEO YouTube, right? So, but the thing about SEO is it takes time. All right. And SEO, for those people that don't know who are watching this, that's search engine optimization, right? And that's how you get your stuff ranked on Google and, get on the first page of the Google listings for whatever keyword your target market is typing in. And hold on, let me move something out. Somebody's sending me some kind of message. So, that's how you get on the first, pages, right? So, I've been on my freedom run, doing my daily disciplines, and, every day, I make a piece of content. Here's my piece of content. I send out an email to my list, and I meet 10 new people. So sometimes, it doesn't, nothing, I can squeeze nothing else into my day because I'm busy. I'm a full-time entrepreneur. I drive Uber and Lyft full-time. I got a family, so I'm a full-time dad and full-time mate. So, sometimes it's challenging to get the SEO portion done of doing a YouTube video and blogging. So, I mean, there are all kind of different ways you can outsource a lot of things. But I got to the point yesterday, and I was talking to my buddy Colin Yearwood, who's doing this 90-day run with me. You don't have to actually do all of that. Sometimes just get the content out. And so I learned a strategy from Diane several years ago, and she calls it the triple dip, right? So you take your video or your original piece of content, you get it transcribed. You can have you pay somebody to transcribe your video for you. That's your written piece of content. And then you can convert that video to audio. So that's three pieces of content from one, right? So I had in my mind, okay, I got the video. I need to SEO the video. So I'll take this same video that you're watching right now, right? I'll take this same video. I'll download it. I have an app called, I think it's called Video FB Download or something like that. You can get a whole bunch of apps to download your Facebook videos. So I'll take this same video. I'll download it to my phone and then upload it back to YouTube. Well, then I'll take that video, right, and send it to rev.com, REV.com. Okay, that's a transcription service. They'll transcribe the video for $1 a minute, which is nothing, right? And then you just go back in and you fine tune things. You get all the grammar stuff correct. So, but in my mind, I'm thinking I gotta SEO. I gotta do all these things to it and make it right so the search engines can do it. Because I know that is the proper way, right? That is the proper way to get your videos and your posts ranked so you can get traffic. And the more traffic you have, the more leads, signups, and sales that you get, right? That's the proper way to do it. But the main thing you need to be doing is getting your content out there. So what if it's not SEO, right? So what if you don't have all the keywords and all the tricks and bells and whistles, before you put your stuff out? I looked at how long ago it was before I actually put a blog out, right? I looked at how long ago it was. I was looking in my in WordPress. They have a dashboard, right? So you can go and look. Man, it had been since December. It is April. It is the middle toward the end of April. And because I had this thing in my head where it has to be a certain way before I put it out, I didn't put it out. Now, how much sense does that make? It makes no sense. You don't have to get it right. You don't got to get it right. You just got to get it going. All right? You don't got to get it right. You just got to get it going. So I know there's probably some things that you're probably working on, and you say, well, this has got to be perfect before I can do it. I have to have my hair has to be perfect before I can get on a Facebook Live. Hey Robert, what's happening, man? Things don't have to be perfect before you let them out in the public. And just as I was sharing with Netta the other day, people like that authenticity. See, just even something like that. People like that kind of stuff. So, don't get so caught up in, well, I got to make sure all of this is right. I got to make sure I'm in the right lighting. I've done videos with horrible lighting. Diane did a video a couple of days ago with Olivia, and they were doing a training, and the lighting was terrible. And Diane's like, don't worry about it. It's all good. And it's about the message. People are tuned to you for, number one, what the message that you bring. If you're bringing value to people, they don't give a hoot. Ray Higdon can do a video right now pointing his camera at something else across the screen or whatever. He could turn his camera like on Sabrina the whole time. And if you guys don't know who Sabrina is, that's his daughter, right? So he could turn his camera on Sabrina the whole time while he's doing the video, and you would never see his face, and people would still listen to that video if Ray is delivering value. He don't even have to be really saying anything. So we have to learn to get out of our own way. It doesn't have to be perfect. It'll never be perfect. If we're waiting on things to be perfect before we let them out, it'll never happen. It'll never happen. So, beware of that overthinking trap. Like I said, for me, I'm already on episode number 14 right now, 14 videos straight, right? There's no reason, I don't have time to SEO all that stuff. Yes, I can outsource it. I'm probably going to actually teach my daughter how to do it because she needs something to do. And I'd rather pay her than, pay somebody from the Philippines to do it, teach her some kind of skill, and then that she can have that skill forever. She can have that skill forever. So, I already got a transcription service. That's easy. I'm not so much worried about it being all perfect before I get it out. Later for that, man. That's holding you up. That's holding your life up. That's holding your business up. Because all of that worry energy, you could be using that for something else. Here it is. Here's the thing. There's an audience of people waiting for you to deliver the thing that only you can deliver. Okay? There's an audience of people waiting for you to deliver the thing that only you can deliver. And because you're waiting on things to be perfect, the people who need that message, they're not getting it. I'm going to say that again. Because you're waiting on things to be perfect, the people who need that message, they're waiting for you. Only you will resonate with these people. It may sound crazy, but that is the truth. Like Diane Hockman says something that she got from Joe Schroeder, and shouts out to Joe wherever you are in the world. He says, you're a walking reward for 10,000 people. 10,000 people. That's a lot of people, but in the grand scheme of things, it's not. So don't look for everybody to be, all running to you and all giddy about the thing that you put out, because it's not for everybody. But the people that it's for, give it to them. Give it to them. They're waiting on you. So I hope you guys got some value out of this video. If you did, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And man, I'm really glad you all tuned in. If you want to get into my email list, you want to get on my email list, inbox me. I'll be glad to add you on. I send the email out every day. I missed one day this whole time out of the 14 days of sending an email. One day. So, but it's not a habit. The habit is getting it done. All right, getting it done and not making sure and not really caring if it's perfect. It's not about perfection. It's about the impact. I like that. Run with it. All right, you guys have a great day. Peace.